What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in, man. I wanted to give you an update of my prototype, which is going to be a display. You get a chance to see it good. I had to walk under here. It turned out well. I'm gonna have to get another one where you can really see. I got like a nice brown, and I stained the wood like a pine stain. It's still kind of wet, so we got to finish drying out. But this is pretty much the dynamics of the design. My goal is to do a few more things to it, but as of now, it's pretty much how it's gonna go. This is the display model where I can be able to show people what they can do. Comes in different ways, different sizes, lengths, whatever they need. And then down here I have my foot, and this is a model to show you exactly how I'm gonna do the bottoms. I got a couple different ideas, but that's a base right there for one. And as you see, this piece spins so that way a person can set it, but they need to set it, as you see. And it just slides inside of the bottom of the feet just like that. So that's why I got it sitting so you can see how it works. And that way, all you got to do is drop them on there, and once you're done, take them off. So that's what I got going, man. I'm proud of the design. Like I say, I've been messing with it all morning pretty much to get everything together, so turned out pretty good. Hog on.